It's Frank with OxygenGuy.com, and today we're talking about another recall for Bellavista ventilators. Now, this recall had just come out actually 2 days ago now, and as a result, basically what's going on, there's a potential issue with Bellavista 1000 and 1000E ventilators that have a software version of 6.0.1600.0 or higher installed, which was deployed in February of 2021, and also have the data communication port set to HL7. Customers with this software version of this amount and higher have been notified by Vyaire to immediately disable HL7 data communication if activated. If the HL7 data communication is not disabled, such devices are reported unintentional ceasing of ventilation. So very important here. If you know anybody that's on a ventilator, you might want to share this out to them. Get a hold of them, ask them what kind of machine they have, ask them if they've gotten this information, so they're not taking the chance on having to, they actually have to reboot this if it goes out. But they're working on the fix here. But right now, this is what's going on. They're getting a software update to address the issue the first quarter of the calendar year in 2022. So hopefully very quickly here, because it's important to definitely not have any issues with that. A lot of states involved with this: Alabama, California, Colorado, Connecticut, DC, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Louisiana, Massachusetts, Maryland, Michigan, Missouri, Mississippi, North Carolina, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, and South Dakota, Texas, Virginia, Washington, Wisconsin, and West Virginia. The consumer phone number is 833-327-3284 between 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. They have their email here. We're going to link to all this down below. They did volunteer to get this taken care of, and thankfully there's been no patient harm reported. Hopefully this is over and done with soon, and there's no issues happening as a result of it. I'm Frank with OxygenGuy.com. I'm hoping you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. Have a good one.